Today we're going to do some multiplication with the help of our dogs here. So to understand multiplication, we first must understand what the formula means. So it's blank times blank, which means it's the group number times the number of dogs per group. So let's try a simple problem. If we have 2 times 1, this means that there are 2 groups and 1 dog per group. So that's going to be 2 groups of 1. So let's make a visual representation of this. We have 1 group, 2 groups, 2 groups. And now we have 1 dog per group. So we have 1 dog in group 1 and 1 dog in group 2. If we count them up, we find that we have 1, 2, 2 dogs, or 2 times 1. Let's try a problem that's slightly harder now. So if we have a problem that is 3 times 2, what does this mean? Well, we know that the 3 is the number of groups, and the 2 is the number of dogs we have per group. So that means that it is 3 groups of 2. Now let's make a visual representation of this. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. And now there's going to be 2 dogs per group. So group 1 gets 1, 2. And group 2 gets 1, 2. And then group 3 gets 1, 2. Now if we count these up, we can find that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dogs, or 3 times 2. Alright, let's try one more problem, and this one's going to be a little bit harder. So we have 3 times 3. Now this means that we have 3 groups of 3. So let's make a visual representation of this. We have 1, 2, 3 groups. And we know that each group has 3 dogs. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 groups and 1, 2, 3 dogs per group, which is the same as saying 3 times 3, or 3 groups of 3. So if we add them up, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dogs, which is the same as finding what? 3 times 3.